Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clapp, your go-to destination for educational content. Today is an incredibly special day for us because we've just received a package from YouTube. And you know what that means, it's time to unbox our silver play button. We couldn't have done it without all of your amazing support, so thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Let's get right into it. Here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for, our silver play button. Just look at this beauty. The iconic YouTube play button logo in silver, gleaming in the light. It's even more impressive in person. We have a letter from YouTube here. It says, "Congratulations on surpassing 100,000 subscribers. We're thrilled to celebrate your incredible achievement with you. Keep up the fantastic work, and here's to many more milestones ahead." Thank you, YouTube. Now, let's take a closer look at the engraving. It says, "Presented to Clapp for passing 100,000 subscribers." This is a testament to the dedication and support of our amazing Clapp community. We couldn't have done this without each and every one of you. Your support, your comments, and your dedication to learning and growing together have made this possible. To our incredible subscribers, thank you for believing in us and being a part of our educational journey. We're just getting started, and we can't wait to continue bringing you valuable content that helps you learn and succeed. Receiving this silver play button is not just an acknowledgement of our hard work, but it's also a reminder of the incredible community we've built together. We're committed to providing you with even better content in the future, and we're excited to see where this journey takes us. Thank you again for being a part of the Clapp family. We're truly grateful for your support, and we can't wait to see where our channel goes from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest educational content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep clapping for Clapp.